friends, welcome back. So today we're going to be continuing our Super Bowl snack series, all right? And today we're going to be making something that's super popular that everyone loves, which is our jalapeno poppers. So let me show you what goes into that recipe. So first we're going to take our jalapenos and we're going to cut them in half and take out the inside of it. If you have gloves, definitely use your gloves because of course it gets spicy. I just can't seem to find my gloves, so we're going to just go for it and hopefully I don't touch my eye. We're going to cut them long ways. And maybe use a sharper knife. There you go. All right, there it is. So now we're just going to take the inside part out of the pepper. And the thing about the inside is where you have all that heat. So you definitely want to remove that or it's going to be muy caliente. So I just want to point out right now, guys, be sure when you are scraping the insides out of the jalapenos to face your jalapeno more so down or away from you, like that, because I was scraping and it just popped up all in my eye, okay? So I got the jalapeno burn pretty much going on in my eyeball right now. So yeah, definitely scrape away from you. All right, guys, so now let's make our filling for our jalapenos. So in the bowl, we're gonna add 4 ounces of plant-based cream cheese, a half a cup of cheddar vegan cheese, a tablespoon of nutritional yeast, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a good pinch of salt. So now we're going to stuff the peppers. I'm using a tiny 1 tablespoon measure to make it easier. So I'll start off by putting that much in there first, and then whatever's left over, just want to make sure that we have enough to go in each pepper. So start off with about 1.5 teaspoons in each pepper. So I melted 1 tablespoon of butter, and I'm pouring 1/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs in that. All right, guys, so we're going to take those panko breadcrumbs and top each one of the peppers with it, and then get it in the oven. Our jalapeno poppers are all done. Check it out. So what I did was bake them in the air fryer for about 20 minutes until the outside got kind of soft enough, and then I turned on the air fryer top, not the oven, but the air fryer top part, to kind of get the top crispy. So that's what I did there. You don't have to do that option, but I just wanted it so I like to have an extra crunch with that panko. So hopefully you like this video, guys. And definitely check out all the other Super Bowl recipes that we have on the channel. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, guys, and let me know if you make it, all right? So I will talk to you later on our next video. Bye for now.